The branch of chemistry which deal about the study is speed of chemistry reaction factor rate of reaction and mechanical reaction. Affecting reaction reaction of an the branch of chemistry which deals about the speed of chemical reaction of rate of reaction mechanism of a chemical reaction is called chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. The branch of chemistry which deal about the branch of chemistry which deal about the speed of chemical reaction. Speed of chemical reaction. The branch of chemistry which deals about the speed of chemical reaction factor affecting rate of a mechanism of a chemical reaction. The branch of the chem- the kinetics. The branch of chemistry which deal about speed of a chemical reaction factor affecting rate reaction mechanism of chemical reaction is called chemical kinetics. The branch of chemistry which deal about speed of chemical reaction factor affecting rate of a reaction and mechanism of chemical reaction is called chemical kinetics. The branch of chemical which deal about speed of chemical reaction factor affecting rate of a reaction and mechanism of a chemical is called kinetics. The branch of chemistry deals about speed of chemical chemical reaction factor factor affecting chemical reaction reaction. The branch of 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 chemical which deals about the branch of a chemistry which deals about speed of a chemical reaction speed of chemical reaction factor speed of chemical reaction factor speed of a chemical reaction factor speed of chemical reaction factor speed of chemical reaction factor affecting rate of a reaction, affecting rate of a reaction, mechanism of a chemical reaction. The branch of chemistry which deals about speed of a chemical reaction, factor, affecting rate of a reaction, and mechanism of a chemical reaction. The branch of a chemistry deals about in the branch of chemistry deals about speed of a chemical factor, affecting rate of a reaction, and mechanism of a chemical reaction. The branch of a chemistry which deals about the branch of a chemistry deals about speed of a chemical reaction factor, speed of chemical reaction factor, affecting rate of a reaction and mechanism, affecting rate of a mechanism reaction and mechanism of a chemical reaction. Rate of reaction, let us consider general chemical reaction. Recent recent product, the rate of a reaction, rate of a reaction. During a chemical reaction, during a chemical reaction, the reactant are transformed into product. During a chemical reaction, the recent and trans transform transform into product as a result, as a result. Molar count of a recent are decreasing, and the molar consider of a product are increased with passage of a time. During a chemical reaction, the reactant are transformed into product as a result. Molar constituent of a resistant are decreasing, and the molar construct of a product are increasing with passage of time. The rate of decreasing in molar construct of a reactant, and the rate of increasing in molar each co-reactant of reaction. The um, during a chemical reaction, the reactant during a chemical reaction the reactant during a chemical reaction, the reactant are transformed into product as a result. Molar count of a reactant like result are decreasing, and molar product are increasing. Molar constraint are decreasing. Molar constraint of a product are is molar constraint of a reactant are decreasing. Molar constraint of reactant, molar constraint of a reactant is decreasing, and the molar of constraint of a product is increase with passage of time. Molar construct molar construct molar construct with the molar construct. During a chemical reaction reactant are transformed into product as a result. Molar construct. During a chemical, the reactant are transformed into product. The reactant are transformed into product as a result. Molar construct of a reagent are decreasing, and the molar construct of a product are increasing with passage time. Molar construct chemical reaction during a chemical reaction the recent are transformed into product as a result amount molar construct of a recent are decreasing, and the molar construct or product are increasing with passage of time. The rate of decreasing in molar construct of recent and the rate of increasing in molar construct in product. The rate of in molar construct of a recent the rate of decreasing in molar construct of a recent increasing in molar construct increase in the rate of a increasing the rate of decreasing in molar construct of a reactant. The rate of a decreasing in molar construct of a reactant, and the rate of increasing in molar construct of product. The rate of a decreasing in molar construct of a reactant. The rate of a decreasing in molar construct of a reactant, and the rate of a increasing in molar construct of product is called reactant of reaction. What is the reactant of reaction? The rate of decreasing of a constructor reactant, and increase of the product. Rate of a reaction minus d rate of reaction minus d into r. Mm, Mm, minus d into r upon dt minus d into r upon dt reaction rate of reaction plus dp plus plus dp upon dt minus d into r upon minus d into r upon dt. Unit rate of reaction. Let us consider general chemical reaction. Rate of reaction is equal to minus dt into r dt plus dr minus dr upon dt by plus dp upon dt. Molar upon second, liter per second, molar upon second per second. What is the rate reaction and right widths? It's a unit average rate of a reaction. Average rate of reaction and instruct in instantaneous rate of a reaction. Average rate of reaction, it is denoted by rab. It is denoted average rate of a reaction denoted by rab. Let us consider general chemical reaction. A plus b arrow c plus d, where A and B are reactant, C and B are product. Mm, A B reactant, B C are product. Uh, at any time T1 molar construct of D equal to Di molar. Any time T1 D equal to Di. At any time D2 molar construct of D equal to DTF. d upon at any time t1 at any time t1 equal to d equal to di equal to df t1 t1 equal to dti change in molar construct of df minus di plus triangle dtt time interval t2 minus t1 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 t2 minus t1 minus t2 minus t1 range range average range of a reaction average rate of reaction minus t2 plus 80. The above rate of a reaction is called the average rate of reaction in if the time interval and is range instantaneous rate of reaction the rate of a chemical 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 reaction at a perpendicular time is called instantaneous rate. The rate of a chemical reaction the rate of a chemical reaction at a perpendicular time at a chemical reaction in at a perpendicular time the rate of a reaction the rate of 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 a reaction the rate of a chemical reaction the rate of a chemical reaction at a perpendicular time is called the instantaneous rate of a reaction. It is denoted by RINS. RINS. RINS is equal to plus D into C upon dt. It is equal to D, entertaining the chemical reaction. The rate of a chemical reaction in at a perpendicular time is called instantaneous of a instantaneous rate of a reaction. It is denoted by RINS. RINS is equal to plus dc upon dt. Write the rate of a chemical reaction A plus B is equal to C plus D. Rate minus dA upon dt is equal to minus d b upon dt is equal to plus dc upon dt plus dt minus plus chemical reaction of optics the branch of physics which deal about a study light and phenomenal rate or two phenomenal rate of two. Optics, the branch of deals with the study light and phenomenal rate to light is called optics. Branch of optics, ray optics, wave optics, wave optics, ray optics. The branch of optics which is light is represented in form of ray is called ray optics. The branch of optics in which light is represented in form of ray. The branch of optics the branch of optics the branch of optics in which light is represent in form of ray it's called ray optics. The branch of optics 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 in which light is represent the branch of optics represent light the, the branch of optics in which light is represent in form of ray light Light, the form of energy which is a stimulus, is a stimulus sense of a sign start to our eyes. The light of always, the light always, the light always travels in a straight path in a homogeneous medium. The form of energy, a stimulus sense of eyes. The light always travel in a straight path. The light always the light always travel in a straight path in a homogeneous medium. The speed of light in a different media are different. The speed of a light in a different media are represent are different. The speed of light in a different media are different. The light travel with largest speed in a vacuum. Travel which is the largest speed in a vacuum equal to 3 into 8 the power 8, 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. It is denoted by c is equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. Reflection reflective reflective index reflection reflexive reflective index. The reaction of speed, the reactant of a speed of light in vacuum c to the speed of light in the medium v is called reflective index. The medium the speed of light vacuum to speed of light in medium. Light in vacuum to speed light of a medium speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light of vacuum to speed of light in medium. Light in vacuum to speed in a speed of a light in a medium. The medium denoted by b. It is denoted by omega is equal to c upon v. Omega is equal to c upon v. Reflective index of any medium is a unitless and dimensionless. Unitless and dimensionless. Unitless and dimensionless. Reflexive index of any medium is greatest or equal to one one omega less than one omega greater than omega less than one. Reflexive index medium is a greatest or equal to one omega less than one. The reflective index are different media are different. The reflexive index of different media are different. Reflective index are different and media are different. Calculate omega is equal to 3 by 2. Calculate speed of light in a medium having heavy reflective index. The 3 by 2 c is equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. Omega is equal to 3 upon 2 c is equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter second. B is equal to what? Omega is equal to c upon b. Omega 3 upon 2 is equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 upon b. C is equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 upon b. B is equal to 2 into 10 the power 8 2 in the power 8. B is equal to 2 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. Reflective in reflex relative reflectivity index, relative reflectivity index, the reflectivity index of a one medium with a respect to reflective index of another medium is called reflective index. One medium with a respect to reflective index of another medium. One medium with a respected to reflective index of another medium. Medium with a medium with respect medium with respect medium with respect medium with respect medium with reflects respect one medium with respect to one medium with respect to reflective index of another medium one medium with respect to reflective index of another medium one medium with a respect one medium with respect one medium with respect one medium with respect to reflective index the two reflective index or two inductive one media with respected to relative reflective index of another medium one medium with respected one medium with respected reflective index reflective index of another medium one medium with one medium with respected to reflective index of another medium one medium one medium one medium with respected to reflective index of another medium each called relative reflective index. The relative reflective index or reflective index of a first medium right with respected to right with um, medium with respect to R1 RI of a second medium is equal to Ri of a first medium upon Ri of a second medium. First medium, second medium, reflective index of first medium and reflective index of second medium. U omega 1 U omega 1 is equal to omega 1 upon omega 2 or 1 omega 2 is equal to 2 omega upon 1. Find the omega g of d and g omega w if u g is equal to 3 upon 2 u w is equal to 4 upon 3. W omega g is equal to u g u omega g omega w is equal to 3 by 2 upon 4 by 3 is equal to 9 by 8 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 mm, 12 omega w g omega w omega g 4 by 3 of it 3 by 2 upon 4 by 3 4 by 3 3 by 2 mm, mm, 9 9 The medium have a large reflective index. The medium having largest reflective index. The medium having largest reflective index का compromise in comparing with another medium each called dense or denser medium. The medium having large reflexive index comparing with another medium. Medium having large, medium having large, medium having large, medium having large, medium having large reflective index. In the medium of a large reflective index, comparing with another medium, the medium having large reflective index comparing with another medium is called denser medium. The medium having a smaller reflective index comparison with another medium. The smallest a smaller largest smallest rarer medium largest reflective index with comparing another medium, a smallest reflective index comparing with another medium. Reflection of light. The phenomenon of bouncing back of a ray of light. The phenomenon of a bouncing back of a ray of light in a some medium after staring on a surface. The phenomenon of a bouncing of a ray. The phenomenon of a bouncing back of a ray of a light in a some medium after a staring on a surface is called reflective reflection light. The phenomenon of bouncing back a ray. And the phenomenon of bouncing back or ray of a light in a same medium after staring on a surface. The bouncing back of any same medium staring on a surface. Bouncing back of a ray light of a same medium same medium after staring. Angle I equal to angle of incident. Angle I equal to angle of incidence. Angle R is equal to angle of a reflection. Galaxy angle, glassine angle. The angle made by incident light. The angle made by incident reactant reflected with reflecting surface are called. See, it is denoted of pi alpha and beta. Alpha equal to beta. the the branch of physics which deals with study light and phenomenal reacted to light. Light and phenomenal to reactant with to light is called optics. Branch of optics, ray optics, wave optics. Ray optics, the branch of optics in which light is represent form ray is called ray optics. Light, the form of energy which is stimulate scene of a light to our eyes. The light always travel in a straight path in a homogeneous medium. The speed of a light in a different medium are different. The speed of a light in different medium and are different. The light travel with largest speed in vacuum equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. The light travel with the largest speed in a vacuum equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. It is denoted by c equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. A reflective index, the reflexing of a speed, the speed of a light in vacuum, speed of a light of vacuum, the speed of light in vacuum, the medium, the the speed of a light in medium to speed of a light in medium, a light in vacuum to light in medium, each called omega, a medium reflecting index. It is generated by omega is equal to c upon b. Reflective index of any medium is a unitless and dimensionless. It reflective index of any medium unitless and dimensionless. Reflective index of any medium greater or equal to 1. Greater or equal to 1. Omega less than 1. Omega less than 1. Omega less than 1. The reflective index of a different medium are different. Calculate. Reflective having medium index 3 omega equal to 3 by 2 and c equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. What is b? Omega is equal to cb upon cb. Omega is equal to 3 by 2 equal to 3 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. 3 3 3 3 2 2 into 10 the power 8 meter per second. Reflective reflectivity index one medium with respected to reflective index of another medium. One medium with a respected to reflective index of another medium, it called relative reflective index. One medium with the reflective index of another medium, one medium to another respected with to index of another medium, is called relative reflective index. Relative reflective index of first medium with respected to reflective index of a second medium is equal to reflective index of first medium upon a reflective index of a second medium. 2 omega 1 is equal to u1 upon omega 1 upon omega 2. Find the medium having large reflective index comparing with another medium is called denser medium. Larger reflecting with comparing with another medium. Larger reflective index comparing with another medium. The smallest reflective index comparing with another medium. Reflection of light, reflection, the phenomenon of a bouncing back, the phenomenon of a bouncing of a ray of a light the same medium after staring on a surface. The phenomenon of a bouncing back of a ray of light in some medium after staring on a surface. The phenomenon of bouncing back or of a back the bouncing of a reflection of a light, bouncing of a ray of a light in a same medium after staring of the surface, each called is called reflection of a light. Mm, Angle I is equal to reply angle of incident or angle of incident, reactant on reaction, angle of a reaction, reflection. Gaussian angle, the angle made by incident light and reflected with a reflecting surface are called Gaussian angle. They are denoted by alpha and beta. I alpha beta related light, incident light, normal reflecting surface. Pointer a special type of variable. Pointer a special type of a variable. Hold member, memory. Mm, Pointer is a special type of variable that hold memory, address, location of another medium of the same data types. Either a special type of a variable in a pointer is a special type of variable hold address kai location of another variable of same type operator point. There are two types of operator is used to in pointer st- sticks sticks comparison comparison and those operator is used to store the value of variable. Those operator which the operator is used to store the value of a variable. Comparison those operator is used to store the member address location of another medium. Memory address location of another medium, same medium. Memory store the same medium. Int x equal normal simple variable. Int cross p pointer variable. P is equal to not x store the member and function. Member and function. Pointer is a pointer is a special type of a variable. Pointer is a special type of a variable. All memory address and location variable of same data types operator of a pointer. There are two types of operator is used in pointer. Absolute rigs absolute those operators used to store the variable of value. Those operator is used to store the memory address location of another variable. Another variable. Int x a normal simple variable. X a normal simple variable. P pointer variable. Store the memory address and location. Trigonometry inverse trigonometry function sin theta is equal to p upon h cos theta is equal to b upon h tan theta is equal to p upon b cosec h upon p cosec theta is equal to p h upon p sec theta is equal to h upon b cot theta is equal to b upon p cos theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cot theta is equal to 1 upon 10. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cotec theta is equal to cos theta is upon sin theta, cos theta upon sin theta. Trigonometry ratio of standard angles. Sin theta 0 0 0 sin theta 0 sin theta 0 sin theta 0 sin theta 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 2 upon root 3 upon 2 1 0 1 by 2 root 2 upon 0 0 0 0 0 1 by 1 by 2 1 by root 2 3 3 root 3 upon 2 1 cos theta 1 root 3 upon 2 1 upon root 2 1 upon 1 1 2 1 upon 2 0 0 1 by root 2 1 root 3 not defined 2 root 2 2 root 3 1 sec theta 1 2 upon root 3 root 2 2 not defined root 3 1 1 upon root 3 0 180 is equal to pi 180 is equal to pi 90 degree is equal to 90 degree is equal to pi upon 2 60 degree is equal to pi upon 3 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 30 degree is equal to pi upon 6 trigonometry identities sin theta sin square theta upon plus cos square theta is equal to 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 1 plus cos tan square theta 1 plus tan 1 plus 10 square theta 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta 1 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 1 plus 10 square theta is equal to sec square theta 1 plus cot square theta 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec theta. Relation between degree and radian 2 pi is equal to 360 2 pi is equal to 360 2 pi is equal to 2 pi is equal to 360 pi is equal to 180 1 radian is equal to 180 upon pi is equal to 57 degree 16 per minute. Graph y is equal to sin x domain is equal to r minus indefinite range minus 1 period 2 pi y equal y upon cos x same 2 pi is equal to cos sin cos are equal are same sin x sin x y is equal to sin x same y is equal to 10 square same 10 x is equal to sin x upon cos x cos x cos x not equal 0 cos x not equal 0 domain is equal to r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2 range is equal to r y is equal to cot I is equal to cot I is equal to cot I is equal to cot y is equal to cot x is equal to cos x upon sin x sin x is equal to not equal to 0 domain is equal to r minus n pi y is equal to sec x is equal to upon 1 upon cos x y is equal to sec x is equal to 1 upon cos x is not equal to 0 domain r minus 2n plus 1 pi upon 2 range minus indefinite 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 indefinite 1 indefinite sign of a trigonometric function, different coordinate. Equal to A all sin theta cosec theta 3 tan cot 4 cosec sin cos tan cot sec cosec. Trigonometry ratio of a compound angle cos A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus cos A cos A minus B and cos B plus cos A plus cos B cos A cos B plus cos sin A plus cos sin B cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A minus sin B sin A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos x sin B sin A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos x sin B trigonometry tan A plus B tan A plus tan B upon minus a 1 minus tan B tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B a 1 minus tan B 10 A minus B tan A minus tan A minus tan B tan A minus tan B 1 plus sin A tan A plus tan B congruent cot 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 angle cot A plus B cot A plus B cot A plus B cot A plus B equal to cot A cot B minus 1 B minus 1 cot B plus cot A cot B minus 1 cot A cot B plus cot A minus B equal to cot A cot B plus 1 cot B minus cot A important result cos A plus B cos A minus B equal to cos a square A minus sin a square B equal to cos a square B minus cos square A sin A plus B sin A minus B equal to sin square B equal to cos square B minus cos square A tan A plus B plus C tan A plus B tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A tan B tan C and 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan C tan A adding and subtract sin A plus B plus sin A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B sin A plus B plus sin A minus B sin 2 sin A cos B 2 sin A cos B sin A plus B sin A plus B minus sin A minus B equal to 2 cos A sin B cos B plus A cos A plus B plus cos A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B cos A minus B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B equal to 2 sin A sin B. Formula to transform the sum or different input into product sin C plus sin D equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 and c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2 sin c minus sin d equal to 2 sin cos c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d upon 2 cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d cos c minus d upon 2 cos d minus cos c equal to 2 sin c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d multiple and multi sum and sum multiple angles cos square cos 2a equal to cos square a minus cosine a equal to cos square a minus sin 2 a into 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a tan 2a equal to 2 tan a 2 tan a 1 minus tan square a sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 3 sin cube a sin a cos 3 a equal to 4 cos 3 a minus 3 c cos sin square a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a cos square a equal to t minus t tan square a upon tan 1 plus tan square a tan 3a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square. Value of a sine value of a sine 15 sine 15 root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 cos 75 degree equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 tan 15 equal to root 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus root 3 sin 75 equal to root 3 upon 1 upon root 2 sin 75 1 plus root 3 upon 3 minus 1 sin 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 5 cos 36 degree equal to 5 root 5 plus 1 upon 4 cos 18 equal to root 10 plus root 5 under root 5 10 plus 2 root 5 4 by 4 sin alpha plus beta sin alpha plus 2 beta plus dot plus sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta so sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta upon 2 upon sin beta upon 2 sin n b n beta upon 2 if b beta equal to equal to beta equal to beta equal to alpha beta equal to alpha then sin alpha plus sin 2 plus dot sin n alpha equal to sin n plus 1 upon 2 into sin n alpha n upon 12 1 sin alpha upon 2 sin alpha upon 2 Mm, I am going to toilet, so 1 minute left. I am going to. So theta is equal to cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to cosec cosec sec theta is sin cos tan cosec sec cot h e p h base p by h p by h b by h p b p p b p upon b h by p h by b to cos p equal to p bp bp sec sec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta sec cosec theta cosec theta cosec cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta sec theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta 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 is equal to sin theta upon cos theta sin tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta cot theta is equal to cos upon sin theta cos theta upon sin theta tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta cot theta upon cos theta upon tan theta theta Sin theta is equal to p by h. Sin theta is equal to p by h. Sin theta is equal to p by h. Sin theta p by h. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 cosec theta cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Cotec theta is equal to cosec upon tan theta. Tan theta and upon cosec sin theta. Sin theta. Theta. mm, 0 sin 0 0 30 45 60 90 0 30 45 60 45 0 30 30 15 5 4 50 0 5 50 50 60 0 30 45 60 0 0 30 45 60 90 0 1 by 2 0 1 by 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 0 1 0 not defined 1 not defined 0 1 by 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 not defined 1 not 0 0 not defined by root 3 1 by root 3 1 root 3 not defined 2 root 2 2 root 3 1 1 2 not defined 3 0 1 by 2 cos theta sin cos 10 cosec sec theta cot theta sec 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 0 0 0 1 by 2 3 2 to cancel root 2 2 to cancel root 3 0 0 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 1 is equal to 0 10 0 and 0 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 1 by root 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 3 by 2 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 by 2 1 by root 2 3 root 3 by 2 1 0 1 by by root 2 root 3 by 2 1 1 root 3 3 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 3 by 2 0 0 0 not defined 0 0 minus 1 is equal to not defined 0 minus 1 0 0 is equal to not defined 0 1 by root 3 1 root 3 3 0 not defined 1 root 3 root 3 defined not defined 1 not 2 not defined 1 not defined 2 2 by root 3 2 2 root 2 root 2 1 1 1 no define root 3 1 no define 0 0 0 0 0 2 no define 2 root 2 2 1 1 no define define 1 or 2 root 3 root 3 2 by root 3 2 minus 0 1 root 3 no defined a square sin 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 square plus cos square is equal to 1 1 plus sin square certain 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus sin 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cosec cosec sec square theta 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 sin square plus cos square theta is equal to say cosec theta is equal to 1 sin theta 1 sin theta cosec theta is equal to sin theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta 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 cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta cosec square cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta sin theta sec square theta is equal to cos square theta cot square theta cosec square theta 1 by cos sin square theta sec square theta is equal to 1 by cos theta cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cosec theta cot theta is equal to cosec theta upon sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. Cosec, cot, tan, cot, tan, cot, cot, tan, cot, tan, cot, tan, cot, tan. Cosec, cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Cos theta, tan theta. P by h, P by h, P by h, P by h, P by h. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cos theta. Cotec theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta, cos theta is equal to upon sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. Sin theta, sin theta, sin theta, sin theta. 2 pi is equal to 360, pi is equal to 180, equal to 180 upon pi, 180 upon pi, 7 pi upon 6, 6 per meter, per meter, per meter, per meter. Graph y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to sin x, 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 sin x. Square theta tan theta is equal to sin square theta, sin square theta, cosec theta.